If you're looking to pursue a career in private firefighting, here's a guide to help you navigate the process. Start by identifying companies in your area or those you're willing to work for in these sectors. Wildland fire contractors, industrial fire protection companies, insurance-related fire protection firms, event or standby fire services. Private firefighting companies often have strict hiring requirements. Ensure you meet the following: education, high school diploma or GED. Age, at least 18 years old. Physical fitness, pass a standardized fitness test like carrying a 45-pound pack for 3 miles in 45 minutes for wildland firefighting. Certifications are crucial in private firefighting and show your skills. Required certifications typically include Firefighter 1 and 2 for structural firefighting, Wildland firefighter training for wildland roles, EMT or paramedic certification, technician-level hazmat training for industrial or high-risk environments. Building experience is key for entering private firefighting. Options include public fire department work provides essential firefighting skills and exposure. Wildland firefighting on a seasonal wildland fire crew is great for hands-on experience. Adding specialized skills in rope rescue, confined space operations, or industrial safety is beneficial. Look for job openings on company websites or job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, or government contracting portals. When applying, ensure you have highlight your firefighting experience, certifications, and skills. Explain your interest and enthusiasm for private firefighting. Provide credible references to vouch for your reliability and skills. During interviews, be ready to discuss your firefighting experience, your adaptability to private firefighting demands, your ability to handle high-pressure situations, emphasize safety, and work well in teams. Once hired, you may need to complete company-specific training, such as operating equipment, adapting to protocols and safety standards, understanding client requirements. In private firefighting, you represent the company to clients. Demonstrating professionalism, good communication, and reliability is crucial. Be adaptable to various assignments, from wildfire suppression to industrial standby. By meeting qualifications, gaining experience, and staying proactive in your job search, you can successfully transition into a private firefighting career.